Yes, she did. Don't be trying to. You gotta go ahead. Your mom said you gotta.
Go, Benjamin!
He's okay.
Go, Ben, go!
No, she's not doing it.
Yes, I do not know, dude. Somebody's supposed to come today.
Go, Ben! I'm sorry.
You're alright.
Way to go! How was your race?
Good.
Yeah, are you tired? Are you proud of yourself? Did you try hard? You did great.
Lost on each level.
No, you did fantastic. You worked so hard out there. Woo, high five. Awesome job. I love you.